Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope everyone is great and welcome back to a new session of Learning English with me. I am Jayashri and today we are going to learn about I will give you 5 important tips where you can improve your communication skill or speaking fluently in English. So let's get started. So first point number 1 is picture reading. This is a great technique to develop your English. See a picture and try to say what you see in that particular picture. Suppose this is the picture. Try to form some small sentences. In this picture, you can see the teacher is teaching. The students are learning. It's 9 o'clock. There are 6 students. You can take any picture and try to make small sentences and follow the same steps. The benefit of this picture reading is that you will start thinking in English. Let's move to the next point. Talk to yourself. When you start talking to yourself, you can slowly build your confidence. Pick up any topic of your choice to speak. आप कोई भी सेंटेंस या टॉपिक ले सकते हैं जिसे आप उसके ऊपर स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं with easy words. For example, I love to dance. I practice 30 minutes daily. I enjoy dancing. It gives me happiness, etc. So there are so many things or topics where you can speak. Your hobbies, your interest, what you like, and benefit of talking to yourself is it will definitely boost your confidence and fluency will improve. Let's move to the third point. तो चलिए अब तीसरे पॉइंट पे चलते हैं हम. So pick up any questions from the internet and speak for maximum 1 or 2 sentences. For example, what is your favorite food? What makes you happy or sad? What are you good at? What are your goals for the next 5 years? The benefit of this third point is that when people ask you some question, you can instantly answer to that. Point number 4, make a habit of reading daily for 10 minutes. Reading helps you improve the grammar. It helps in your vocabulary. It improves your fluency, and also reading helps you enhance your writing skill as well. Correct? As you read any text, mark the words that is new to you. Write down the words in your notebook or any copy and try to use them in your daily conversation. पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके ग्रामर और वोकेबलरी इन्फ्लुएंसी इंक्रीज करने के लिए. पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू नीड टू रीड डेली. कोई भी टाइम निकाल के आप कोई भी टॉपिक लेके बुक्स लेके आप उसको डेली प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू डू दैट. सो प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. सो अब चलते हैं लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट. वो टॉपिक जो है वो है वॉच इंग्लिश वीडियोस एंड डू शैडोइंग. सो ये शैडोइंग क्या है? आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव कम अक्रॉस द वर्ड शैडोइंग, राइट? सो कैन यू कमेंट और राइट व्हाट इज shadowing so that I can understand that most of you know about shadowing. Watch English movies. As a beginner, you should always watch movies with certain subtitles. Pick up words or phrases that you don't understand and try to learn those from the Google or find out the meaning, exact meaning of that particular words or phrases. तो shadowing क्या होता है? Shadowing is imitating. Okay, so imitating, when I am saying a word, if I say I love to do cooking, I love to do cooking. Listen carefully. I love to do cooking. So when you repeat the same thing, it becomes a shadowing. So imitating certain sentences or phrases or words is called shadowing. Benefit of this topic is ये आपका listening skill और English fluency ज़्यादा improve करते हैं. Your listening and vocabulary will improve. So I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe and like my channel and share it with your friends and families. So see you in the next video. Thank you.